I like this video, so I'm posting it again, and I like the music. But I also want to let you know that I'm teaching 2 workshops in Mexico. One is going to be in San Miguel in Mexico, and the other is going to be in Guanajuato, Mexico. So, if you'd like to take a workshop with me, I'm going to be working with digital images, yours, which I'll print ahead of time, on Japanese papers, and we'll work with encaustic medium, powdered charcoal, collage, and a bunch of other stuff. We'll also work on glass with the images. The San Miguel class is in October 2025, from October 5th to October 9th. Also, Laura Moriarty will be teaching a class just before mine, October 1st to 3rd. It's a shorter class, but if you want to take Laura's class, she'll meet just before my class. So take her class too. The next class in Mexico I'm going to be teaching will be in Guanajuato in 2026, February 16th through the 20th. And the day after the class, on the 21st, we're going to go into town and see what kind of trouble we can get into. So if you want to hang around for that, we'll do that on the following day. And if you would like more information, please visit my website or contact me if you know how to contact me. Thank you.